In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Kik. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to head over to your profile on the upper right corner, and then we're going to go ahead and click the settings. Now down here, I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see your username. Now take note that once you change your username, you will need to wait for 60 days in order for you to be able to change it again. So once you're ready to change it, go ahead and click the edit button right here. Now, by the way, before you will be able to edit this one, make sure that you enable your two-factor authentication because that is required in order for you to get this done. So, yep, I'm just going to go ahead and add some number here just like so. Whoops, only letters and numbers. All right, there you go. I'm going to hit save changes, and then we are going to use our two-factor authentication in order for us to verify our identity. So I'm going to go ahead and click change username. All right, there you go. As you can see, our username has been changed, and then yep, we have to wait for 60 days in order for us to change it again. So let's go ahead to our profile, and there goes our username. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.